One of the most helpful things about Faster Mail is the ability to organize attachments we receive into specific folders in Clio. If you haven't already watched the video on how to configure Faster Mail's preservation settings, we'd recommend watching that first. Let's preserve an email with some attachments by selecting the email in Outlook, then clicking the Preserve Email button on the Faster ribbon. We could just select a matter and hit Save, but if we click on an attachment, we'll see that our default folder for attachments is still Email Attachment. Let's change this so we don't have to reorganize our files later. We'll start by selecting the folder where the first attachment should be organized. If we haven't configured our drop-down list yet, no problem. We can just type the name of the folder where it should go, or even use backslashes to separate subfolders. Now let's give the file a more appropriate name. Now that the first attachment is handled, let's look at the next one. For this attachment, we might not know exactly what folder we should put it in. We can select a matter from the matter list, then click the ellipsis button next to the folder dropdown to get a Windows File Explorer pop-up navigated to the matter we selected. That way, we can just select an existing folder to use to store this attachment. Once again, we'll rename the attachment as well. Now we can preserve the email by clicking Save. If we navigate to the matter we selected in Faster Drive, we'll see that instead of being placed in the email attachment folder, the attachments instead went to the folders we selected.